Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a little video on a trip to ProBike Repairs. I've been meaning to film the garage for quite some time, but my mate needed his MOT doing. I've sorted the garage out, so I took a little spin out there, and I just wanted to film the garage itself. The reason I did is because the garage is well worth a visit. Okay, so just before I talk about it briefly, it's in Shrewsbury, SY5 9PZ. Lower House Farm, and it's ProBike Repairs. So I think that's Oulton area. PBR Racing. The reason I want to talk about it just briefly is because this guy, James Evans, he's the guy that owns the company, owns the garage, and they've got their very own road racing team. Now, for me, when you take your bike to a bike garage, if you're taking it somewhere where the owner has got a history of racing, you know it's a reputable place. There's lots of history on here about James and about his racing, where he used to race, Tonfanau, up in Towyn, Wirral, Oulton Park, Anglesey. Talks about some of the races he's been involved with and that sort of stuff, and some of his sponsors. But really quickly, they're just really nice people, James and Andy and his team. And it is well worth a visit because they always make you feel welcome. They make you a coffee, they have a chat with you, they talk about stuff. It's not just a place where you just drop your bike off and then, fingers crossed that the bill isn't going to empty the bank account, so to speak. They're always really good on their prices and their advice. And as I say, it's well worth a visit, even if you're not taking your bike in. It's one of those places you can go in. There's a little bit of a sort of an area where there's all memorabilia from like the TT and a lot of stuff from his racing, his bikes in there, all sorts really. So give it a visit if you're in the area, guys. It's well worth it. ProBike Repairs. See what you think.
Mate, how loud is your bike? Your bike's just set off the car alarm. And that's just on tick over. ProBike Repairs.
So, ProBike Repairs. There's the van if you see it about. It's a beautiful day today. April. Cold, but blue sky. Stunning. So there's my bike on the end. CB1000R. Some customers' bikes here, by the looks of things. Have a little wander down. What's this? Norton Commando. Wow, fully restored, beautiful. So we'll have a look inside, show you what it looks like. Got some racing memorabilia here, look. Aberdare Park. A well-used knee slider to Tonfanau racetrack. Trophies. Enduros. Oh, I need some of these for my garage. They are mint. Here's the PBR racing bikes. That's nice. A few mods on that, and that tank is wrecked. So you've got this BSA B31. It says about this guy Richard Evans, who fully restored the bike. So this is like in memorial to him. Pride and joy, look. What a shame. So we've got some like accessories up here, some Motorex stuff. Muck off, I think. Yeah, there's a muck off stand here. Another bike. TT stuff. Pit board, position 1. It's like a racetrack photo and a framed BSB Championship sidecars. A quick look inside the garage, see them at work, plenty going on. And a wrecked suit and lots of medals too. So guys, that's PBR. If you're in the area, pop in. Look, John McGuinness hat there, ideal. Give them a visit, guys. Pop in for a coffee, or even better, get your bike serviced. Yeah, clear, mate. After 3, right? 1,